Warm welcome, ladies and gentlemen. I, Professor Dr. B.M. Arora, Chairman AIZWB, have great pleasure and honor to warm welcome everyone to this international conference on insight into wildlife conflict, rescue and rehabilitation, slated for 2 days at Maharashtra Animal and Fishery University, Nagpur. In the wake of pandemic, corona pandemic, we are compelled to organize the international conference through online platform. The foremost, my heartfelt gratitude goes to Honorable Chief Guest Shri Sanjay Rathore ji, Minister of Forests, Chairman of Inaugural Ceremony, Honorable Shri Sunil Kedkar ji, Minister of Animal Husbandry and Dairying. Guest of honor, Colonel Professor A.M. Paturkar, Vice Chancellor, Maharashtra Animal and Fishery University, Nagpur. I also welcome PCF, Dean, Directors and other dignitaries to join the inaugural function. I wish to apprise the delegates and experts participating in the conference that this international conference is being organized by Wildlife Research and Training Center Nagpur in collaboration with the Association of Indian Zoo and Wildlife Veterinarians. The association has already conducted 30 national and international programs on various facets of wildlife conservation management like health dimensions, investigation and diagnosis of various causes of human-wildlife conflict, as well as morbidity and mortality investigation diagnosis, which have been sponsored by Union Ministry of Environment and Forest, State Veterinary and Agriculture University, ICR, CSIR and DST. The association has published 10 books on Indian wildlife husbandry, nutrition, reproduction, conservation, diseases and rehabilitation. These were the first of their kind in the country. I have been working in various capacities for more than 40 years in wildlife management. This conference has rightly aimed to focus on the deliberation on human-wildlife conflict, rescue and rehabilitation of the endangered species and their scientific management. The Zoo Conservation Biology program is aimed to to breed the endangered species and their reintroduction to divide habitats, to analyze intrinsic factors impinging on their prospective health management and conservation and contrive the strategic measures to be planned to safeguard their existence in the in situ wildlife facilities. I place on record the sterling work and untiring efforts made by Professor S.V. Upadhyay, Director, Organizing Secretary, and his ally, Professor V.M. Dhoot, and organizing team members from Wildlife Research and Training Center who have planned the entire program of this conference to be very successful. I would like to say that it was not possible to organize the conference without the help and support of authorities and staff of the Maharashtra Animal and Fisheries Sciences University, Nagpur. The Wildlife Research and Training Center is known for his pioneer work in the field of wildlife conservation management under the dynamic leadership of Dr. Upadhyay and Vice Chancellor Dr. Paturkar. I am highly indebted to the subject matter experts from India and abroad, wildlife veterinary science professionals, and wildlife and forest authorities hailing from across the country for sharing their rich experience and advising on the various issues. Once again, I welcome all the distinguished delegates and speakers and press and electronic media who have become the part of our program. Uh, I am confident that the deliberations and discussions will be held in a coordinated manner during the international conference will yield some new directions and dimensions in wildlife conservation and management in situ as well as ex situ facilities. Hoping in this odious time of corona pandemic, I wish you all to keep yourself safe and enjoy the start of new year with great motivation and spirit. Thanking you one and all. Jai Hind.